Good morning or afternoon, or whenever you're watching this. This here is for the managing directors to look at a Gantt chart. The idea of this is to plan how you're going to go through, keep all your goals met, and close up your business to everything you need for your business. So to start off with, a Gantt chart, what is it? Henry Gantt's contribution to management is called the Gantt chart. This is what you see on the side. 100 years ago, he developed a visual tool to represent the scheduling and actual progress of projects that are still used today. Your task as a managing director is to create a Gantt chart for your group for the next 1, 2 and a bit terms to enable your group to achieve all its goals, close up the bank account, and in this case, maybe even sell it. So what I've done is I've created a list of what I think I need to do for my business called Relax Teas. We're starting at week 7, term 1, and this will be term 2. You see the yellow here is highlighted. That is the holidays. So obviously it gives you a bit of planning to do for that as well. So the first thing to do is list a whole lot of ideas of things that you need to do. These are the milestones for you to make sure that you get things done on time. What we're going to do is go over and start typing them in the Gantt chart. The idea is to put these in the order you think is most important. Your first job, which isn't down there, is to create a vision and a mission statement. I'm going to put that in. That gives you a bit of a plan of what you're trying to achieve, when you're trying to achieve it by. And the delegation is you. I'm going to write CEO for the managing director. And your job, let's do that really early on. Let's nail that so you know what you're trying to achieve in the first week. So we're going to start in week 7 and we're going to go to week 8. Notice how that's the bar, a visual representation of when you're going to have it completed. What we're going to do is add the rest of them in here, all of these in here, in the order that you think they're going to happen, who's responsible for that and when they are. So we'll chuck in the open a bank account. That's not your job, that's a financial director's job, and they can open that same time as you in between week 7 and week 8. Okay, you'll monitor this in your weekly meetings to make sure that that is done on time. Once that's done, we can start doing the rest. So I'm going to go ahead, add the rest of them in here, and you'll see it in a few seconds. This is a Gantt chart that I've drawn up for my business called Relax Teas. Relax Teas is a t-shirt company where we're importing t-shirts, screen printing the logos on, putting wheat bags in the shoulders and the small of the back so that you can chuck your t-shirt in the microwave with a glass of water, high for 4 minutes, put that t-shirt on and it eases the pains. So in my Gantt chart you'll see we've started with a vision and mission as we had before. Funding in from the shareholders, that'll be the finance director's job again. Chuck that into the bank account, and that'll probably be, well, with the bank account week 8 to week 8. And then we do things like order the t-shirts. Now this is already done in the production director's Gantt chart, and they will go in week 8 to week 9. Try 9. Right, and then I'll go fill the rest of them in. See what it looks like. So here is a completed Gantt chart. So as you can see, selling starts in week 9 and continues all the way through. We've got a Dragon's Den and business plan done first, and then that'll go through to the 14th. Week 14 where we do our business pitch to the Dragons in our local region. After that we'll do a business plan review used for the 9 credits. We'll order our second batch. Notice that happens simultaneously as we're doing that Dragon's Den. The idea is to secure a manufacturer. Instead of us doing the sewing and the screen printing, if we can get someone local to do that, then that has a good distribution channel for us so that we don't have to do that work. Once we've done that, if we can secure some retailers that are willing to sell our relaxed teas for us. So we've got manufacturing sorted, we've got the retailing sorted, and then we can hands off that part of the business and just seamless flow from here to here. The trade fair will happen where we've going to do that for Young Enterprise. We have to write our annual report to review our business. I'm hoping to sell the business, that way I can get some money and move on to new ones. And what's really important is at the end we pay our taxes to Young Enterprise and that we close our bank account. And that's the end of it. So your job now is to do a Managing Director Gantt chart, looking at the different tasks that you have got to do, put them down in order, use this format that has just been sent through to you, and print it out. Once you've got it printed out, also don't forget to type up the charts, because these things here on their own probably not good enough. You need to explain what each step is, and most importantly, every time you have a meeting, you need to make sure you refer back to this Gantt chart. Are you on track? Are you meeting the key milestones? If you can do that, you'll meet all your goals and you'll have a wonderful business experience. Good luck, make it happen.